believe what I just saw. Me either. Who invited him? How did Samuel get here? Doesn't matter who invited him. What were you doing letting him fill you up in your wedding gown? And now your man is out here bumping and grinding with some Miss Hoochie Mama acting like there wasn't no wedding less than 10 minutes ago? Whose man? Your man, girl, bumping. Aw, hell nah. Ain't nobody about to disrespect me on my wedding day. That's what I'm talking about. Excuse me, ladies. Who is that hoochie mama with her fat ass all over my husband out there on the dance floor? I told you. This is my wedding day. I'm supposed to be happy. What you talking about? Be happy. This is supposed to be the happiest day of your life. Everybody's happy, but we'd be more happy if you go out there and beat that hoe down.